Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. This is Sarah Michaels here. In this video, I want to show you how you can use Bitly, which is a link shortener, and how you can use that specifically if you are an affiliate marketer or you are a network marketer and you want to create short custom links that will go directly to your affiliate link, especially if that affiliate link that you've been given is super, super long. Or maybe you're watching this video and you have decided to promote one of my courses or products, and so you are an SM affiliate. This is a tutorial that will also be useful for you as well. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is log in to whatever affiliate platform or wherever that link is that you've been given. And that affiliate link will have your unique code at the end, so that despite the platform, so whether you're one of my affiliates or you are an affiliate for another company, or maybe you are in network marketing or direct sales and you're wanting to link directly to like your site or something, or like a business opportunity or whatever it is, you're going to want to go to that platform and grab that link. So for example, right now, what I'm personally doing is I'm grabbing the link for a let me log in here. So I'll just show you. So inside of one of my classes, I'm an affiliate for the book .com Secrets. Okay. So that's the book that one of my virtual marketing mentors has written. And so whenever I recommend the book to my students, not only are they able to get the book for free, but I'm able to get a commission. It's a very small commission. I think I get like $1. But still, like you refer 200 people to the book, that's $200, whatever, right? It's $200 that you can use for something. So I'm going to go ahead, and what I've done is I have grabbed my affiliate link. Okay. So as you can see right here, this is going to take me to a very, very long link right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click Command C, and on my MacBook, that allows me to copy that link. What I'm next going to do is I'm going to open up Bitly, which is bitly.com. If you have not yet, Bitly is one of the resources mentioned in my business resource vault. So if you go to sarahmichaels.com/vault, this is where I've put everything that I use and recommend for business. So if it's a link shortener, anything like that, it's in the vault. Okay. So go ahead and register the vault. Otherwise, as soon as you're in, bookmark it, because then you don't have to remember the names for all these. You can just like type it in, and we've even got it separated by category. So inside of the business resource vault, you will see the link for Bitly. It's the link shortener. It's free to create an account. So I'm going to go ahead and click login. If this is your first time using Bitly, you may want to go ahead and click on sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and just sync it right to my Facebook. If you're concerned about, Facebook and privacy and all that kind of stuff, you can go ahead and create a login. Do whatever works for you. You do you, boo. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is you can see that I have quite a few of these linked already. Okay. So I have, let's see here. So if I type in bit.ly/secrets trilogy free, let's go ahead. bit.ly/secrets trilogy free. Let's see what page that takes me to. Sweet. All right. So that takes me directly to this page. However, I still want to actually show you what to do. So I forgot that I created that link. That's hilarious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I want to create a BitLink, a link shortener. Okay, so you can see how I turned this link, which was like sarahmichaels.clickfunnels.com/opt-in, blah, 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 all these random gibberish numbers and letters. What I did was I turned that into a custom bit link. That's BITLINK. We call this a bit link, so that it's way easier to remember this if you don't have pregnancy brain. It's way easier to remember those custom links. Okay, So once you have grabbed the long link, come on back over here to BitLink, and I'm going to use my keyboard shortcut of Command V, and I'm just going to paste that big long link into there. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead again. Okay, oops, I'm going to go ahead and paste it in. Let's make sure it does that. All right. So now what I can call this is whenever, this is a side tip, by the way, to help keep things organized, I'm going to go ahead and categorize this. So I'm going to write CF, which stands for ClickFunnels, because that's the product or the company that this particular book is from. So that might be helpful for you. So for example, if you're making a bit link for one of my courses or products, you might want to title it SM for like Sarah Michaels, and then dash what the tech, so that you know, okay, this is a Sarah Michaels thing and it's the what the tech product or whatever product or affiliate program you're promoting. So I'm going to call this .com secrets book. Okay. And then I'm going to go here and say .com secrets free. And let's see. Okay. That's taken. .com secrets. Let's try get.com secrets. It's not available. So .com secrets free book. Taken. .com secrets for free. Taken. Free for you. It's not available. Let's see here. What else can we call it? .com secrets. Free copy. Oh my gosh, it shouldn't take this long. It shouldn't take this long to do. But everyone has customized this apparently. Free copy of, there we go. Look at that. It took me that long to name my thing. So what you would probably be doing would be when you're customizing your BitLink, you would probably be titling it something like bit.ly/ and then you could say like your name or like, I don't know. So like if I'm just trying to think, like if you were promoting what the tech for like, and you were one of my affiliates, you would probably do something like WTT your name. That's what I would recommend doing. Because technically you can't do, in our affiliate regulations, you can't do bit.ly/ what the tech, but you could do WTT on your name. Okay. So you could do it like this. You could do WTT Sarah. And there you go. So you're like, okay, that's my what the tech link. bit.ly/ WTT Sarah. If your name is super popular or there's already an affiliate that has it, you could do like your last name too, like WTT Sarah Michaels, whatever works for you. That would be how I would name my BitLink, just so that I could, remember it. So yeah, that's how you create your BitLink. Now, once you're done, I'm going to go ahead and X out of here. Okay. So once you're done, all of your BitLinks will now be saved inside of here, inside of your Bitly account. So you can always scroll down and see, okay, this is for this, this is for this, like this is my Vault Insider, my Resource Vault, What the Tech Monthly. So I create BitLinks for a lot of different things. Now, this will come in especially handy if you're creating specific links for different courses or products. It helps you remember the link for your affiliate products, and it makes it a lot easier to share on your social media. So now where would you put this bit link once you have it? Now, if you have a section on your website, so for example, I'm going to take you to my site, which is sarahmichaels.com. You might have a section on your site for like a shop, right? Even if you don't have your own shop, you can list products in there that then link to your affiliate products. You could also have a section for like courses or recommendations. And inside of that section is where then you can put some of your affiliate things. Now, if you're using affiliate links on your website, you do have to make sure that you are running an affiliate disclaimer. Okay, so that makes sure that you're, compliant. I think it's like FTC compliance, affiliate disclaimers. If you go and you take the trial into What the Tech, I believe we have a sample of affiliate disclaimers to post on your website. Okay. And if you haven't yet already come into What the Tech, you can go ahead and activate a 30-day trial for just $7, which is pretty awesome. So you can come test it out for 30 days. And at the end of that, you can either upgrade or you can go no strings attached, no hard feelings, totally up to you. So if you're looking for that and you are interested in testing out What the Tech, go ahead and hop over to, you can click on courses at sarahmichaels.com or go to whatthetechvip.com and you'll be able to claim your 30-day trial for $7. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was helpful, and I hope you're able to use Bitly now to generate and shorten your affiliate link. And we look forward to, if you're promoting one of our products, we look forward to working with you. Otherwise, I just hope this was helpful. So thanks so much. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Be sure to click subscribe and the bell so you can get notified when a new video drops. I'll leave all my links in the comments. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.